Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this video. This is a video showing you the trade I took on the 9th of May 2024. As you can see, this trade is currently live, okay, as of the time of recording this video. So the reason why you are seeing this massive buy orders is because of the trade I put. If you look up there, you will notice that I had 0.05 lot size buy order, and it was really going in my favor until the NFP, the news came out and everything went against me. But I kept buying, okay, no matter what. I kept buying, knowing that the market should go up, but it kept going down. But I didn't give up. I kept buying, and as you can see, it took me more than 12 hours. I have to leave the trade from 9th of May in the evening. I left it till this morning around 4:49 a.m. as you can see the time there. That was when I woke up to see the trade is already going in my favor. So as you can see, I'm in $13 profit, so I had to close everything. So this was how the trade went. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it.